Manufacturing is the heartbeat of Northeast Ohio and drives our economy forward. In Ohio, 1 out of every 2 jobs depends on manufacturing. Despite what the news says, manufacturing is alive and thriving. Manufacturing is the present, the past, and the future of Northeast Ohio. Manufacturing today is modern, innovative, creative, clean, and fast-paced. We are builders, hard workers, transformers, proud, imaginative, and strong. Manufacturing is robotic, high-tech, high-quality, and precise. Manufacturers are the igniters of American ingenuity. We roll up our sleeves, building and transforming, and bringing smart ideas to life and reality. At Magnet, we believe every manufacturer can grow, strengthen, and innovate. Better manufacturing jobs leads to better margins, higher revenue, and more great jobs for our communities and our neighborhoods. Manufacturing jobs are careers that can transform lives and support families. We, manufacturers, are the salt of the earth, never ashamed of the dirt under our nails. The things that Magnet makes and the services that Magnet provides are for a higher purpose, stoking the fire of hardworking American ingenuity. Years of experience have taught us well. We don't back down from difficult conversations, we start them, we uncover them, and most important, we follow them through to the end, confronting and overcoming challenges for the greater good. We are deep thinkers, sharp and technical. Our curiosity, imagination, and love for invention are what make us click. Call us creative precisionists, putting both left and right brain to work. We are listeners to the real needs of our manufacturing community. We spend hours in plants around the clock and around this region. From thinking caps to hard hats, we are true partners, not fly-by-nighters or in-and-outers. We are long haulers, job doers, and do-righters. We support manufacturing in Northeast Ohio and are here to help.